respond. It's gonna hurt my feelings if you don't.
Can you rip through the skin tissue? We're pumping the pleasure in the back when I'ma kick you. Whether beside or the feeling the riding, there's no time to relax in Atlanta, know when we be grinding.
Yeah.
Avalanche with the mic inside of my hand. No stop in the back when I'm inside of you. Hit to the top, roll and let go, driving, let's go. Anytime we wanna try to touch the floor, but when it grabs nice. Work it, let's get you kids in the bucket, sucking stage. On this 12 grade sound, off, never soul with the flow to let them know when we go. Anything when I round the circle, 3-6, so they go. We call that man, paralyzed and parasite. Human in the honesty, the light battle bites with that. For the witches, lyrically performing in total witnessry. Even overdose on the cynic.
Yo, bring the cat shit while we bring it back in the streets. Go Avalanche! Go Avalanche! Said bring the cat shit while we bring it back in the streets. Go Avalanche! Go Avalanche! Said bring the cat shit while we bring it back in the streets. Go Avalanche! Go Avalanche! Bring the cat shit while we bring it back in the streets. Go Avalanche! Like my cool fucking rough as hell. Like I spent 4 seasons fucking up in humping trails. Not the type to keep a suicide tattoo on a nightstand, but the nightmare. I circumvent your cyberpunk utopias in mere seconds. Crazy, crippled, simple, clear. So I keep that beat so easy, but even latest seasons need a reason to relate the streets that you every one 3,000 years living. Hold the heck down there, fella. You ain't heard shit. One rope started rapping out of hearse. I see the caption was written down where the search is. Triple ass backwards, middle, the middle earth shit. Oh well, I navigate with no cells, no social hotels, no hands and coattails. You know the time when the thief creeps past. Forsaken by the rotten, but the beats be blessed. Come on, bring the cat shit while we bring it back in the streets.